Dragon awakens. Behold the zenith of restoration.
We restore the impossible. Old to gold world.
Gold restoration protocol activated. Vehicle rescue paused, and the venomous animal rescue protocol is now initiated. Gold restoration protocol activated. Vehicle rescue paused, and the venomous animal rescue protocol is now initiated.
All right, safe and secure. Time to get you to the sanctuary. The beast is ready.
Acknowledged. Recovery phase initiated.
The beast is finally coming home. Confirmed. Extraction is ready. Pulling in 3, 2, 1.
Cables taut. Initiating extraction.
Slow and steady. She's moving.
We've got her. The beast is free.
All set. Secure the straps. Tire pressure check. Hinge stability confirmed. Ready for transport. Safe straight. Here we come.
Authorization accepted. Move in.
Initiating garage sequence.
Welcome home.
Nothing stops us. Old to gold world.
Ramps down. Check the clearance. Clear. Bring it back slowly. Perfect. We're all good. Let's secure it.
Condition is critical.
Noted.
Begin photo documentation.
Timeline established. Initiating Aquaforce sequence. Pressure increasing. 4,000 psi achieved. Final check complete. System armed. Let the transformation begin.
Decades of salt are gone. The fiberglass is gleaming. Absolutely perfect. The rear wheels are done, looking pristine. And the engine bay is looking just as good. Hood clean, engine verified, check undercarriage. Gold standard, beast is ready. Perfect alignment on the first attempt. Yeah. Verified. All 4 new tires secured. Good job. Pop, pop, pop. Hiss. Drip. Click. All right, time to install the new custom system. Let's test the connections first. Perfect. 0 leaks. Fire it up.
Phoras. Terminals unclipping. Dead battery and starter removed. New high-performance battery and starter installed. Cables connected and tightened. Worn-out shocks unbolted. Now installing 4 brand new performance shocks. Struts mounted and torqued precisely. Suspension geometry.
Time for a flawless finish. Wiring connected. Tested. Perfect.
The frayed old belts are gone.
Securing the new safety harness sets.
Torquing anchor points to specification.
Final snap. Complete safety achieved.
The diseased metal is eliminated. Now, reconstruction.
The perfect fit. Ready for the final weld.
Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
Ice. Brand new sill panel in position. Solid metal contact. Rapid dimension cuts, explosive power, and grinding speed.
The welds are cooled. Perfect. We're ready for inspection. And that's verified structural integrity. Fabrication complete. The beast is reborn.
Vem med snelling från en del från det.
Excellent. Excellent. The bores are incredibly clean. Decades of dormancy haven't touched them. Now for a...
The crankshaft and rods are fully restored and verified. The rotating assembly is ready. The heart of the LP400. Brand new rings. Rhythmic clicks confirm a perfect fit on all 12 pins. The Meridian Engine Lab is where precision counts. Installing the restored crankshaft, torquing the bearing caps.
Decades worth of carbon, gone.
Mechanical resistance confirms proper clearance.
Solid seal, ready for installation.
Mentions. The valve train configuration is now fully complete. All rocker arms are verified and positioned correctly.
Cylinder heads positioned carefully over the engine block. Torque bolts in a diagonal pattern. Socket clicking sequence confirms tighten.
All right, transaxle rising smoothly, perfect alignment. Torque in sequence. Clicking confirms every point. Drive shaft locked.
Mounting bolts torqued firmly. New fuel lines coupled securely. Electrical click completes the fuel pump wiring. Pressure test confirms 0 leaks.
BRN new wiring harness installed following precise documentation, connecting battery, starter, and alternator swiftly. Clicking. The carpet settles perfectly.
The trim clicks right into place.
Ready for seats. The seats are in, now to bolt them down securely. Check the belt. Check the belts, snap. Slide mechanism flawless. Next, the doors.
Old to gold world, where legends are reborn.
Collisions. Hinge bolts torqued firmly. Mechanical gliding confirms smooth, flawless swing. Weather stripping applied.
The Lamborghini is fully assembled and visually verified. Checking the doors, windows, and suspension. All systems are responsive. It's ready for paint.
Obsidian Black and Bronze Dragon Scale Metallic. Precision is key. Perfect match confirmed. The beast is ready. Ventilation stable. The Komodo Dragon reference imagery is crucial for accuracy.
This prepared.
The stencil is prepared. Watch. The Legacy Gear Restoration Certification Badge. Peeled slowly, applied with precision. The dragon on the hood and the roaring lion. Brand new LED pop-up headlight units installed. Mechanical insertion precise. Master. The finish is exquisite. Every line, every detail of the Komodo Dragon, flawless. Perfection achieved. Battery confirmed. Fuel pressure online. Checklist complete. Time to awaken the beast.
Temperature gauge rising steadily to operating range. Beep confirmation.
All right.
Oil pressure verified. Needle steady. Flawless. No leaks, no smoke, nominal. Fully ready.
Legends become reality. Old to gold world.
Transaxle engaged, gear click firm, rolling forward, tires grip, steering test, full range, smooth road front.
Decades of neglect. Now the dragon awakens. Behold the zenith of restoration.
Ironfield Speedway. Race start. 3, 2, 1, go!
Engines roar simultaneously as competitors battle for position.
The vehicle pulls ahead decisively and powerfully.
Crosses first place. Race 1.
Race start. Acceleration is explosive across the finish line. Victory!
Yes, we did it. What a journey.
Unbelievable!
Now, for the final ride. The world tour officially begins. We are heading back to where it all started. Returning to Buaya Beach.
The beast is back. It's time to show the world what we've built. Komodo Island, here we come.
The circle is finally complete.
It stirred them awake. Welcome, old friend. It's been too long.
The beast is back. It's time to show the world what we've built. Komodo Island, here we come.
From destruction to transformation. Old to gold world. Subscribe now.
We did it! This is unbelievable.